Some people think that money on social media, on Facebook and YouTube, is free money. It's not easy to get monetized to reach 4,000 watch hours, 8,000 watch hours on YouTube. People they think it's free money. You worked hard for, especially on YouTube. Maybe you can post videos for 3 years or 4 years, you are not monetized because those minutes is not easy to reach. Those watch hours is not easy, especially on shorts on YouTube. Is 10 million views. How you can get 10 million views or 20 million views to get monetized on YouTube? So it's not easy because YouTube doesn't push content, doesn't have many views at the same time. Even on Facebook, it's not easy nowadays. You can get more views, you can get more followers on Facebook. You have to work hard for, and you are buying your own data. But other people, they think it's free money. It's very easy to open an account on YouTube, to open a Facebook page. Yes, it's very easy, but it needs consistency, to be very patient, because our content is different. When we are doing comedy, yes, comedy, when you have got a quality camera, you can spend 6 months. After 6 months on Facebook, they can open. Guys, comedy, maybe it's trend a lot on social media. It goes viral fast. So maybe you can be in rush to get paid. But when you are doing some of like English content is not easy, because Facebook, they don't push the kind of content. It can take 2 years or 3 years to get more views. When you are doing English content, you can have 4 views or 3 views. You can spend 6 months, you have got 4 views, 3 views, but it needs consistency. After a year, you can see the change. English content is not easy, guys, but when they open the views for you, you can go far. So it depends by the language you are using, you understand? So other people, they think that it's free money on social media. Guys, to get monetized is not easy, and they don't want shortcuts. Maybe you can say maybe it's shortcuts. It goes by the algorithm, slow by slow, until you get it. It's not about it's easy money. Guys, other people, when you saw them, they have got many followers on their Facebook, on their YouTube, many subscribers. They worked hard for those to have a big platform. It's not about it's very easy. You can think that maybe it's free money. People, we want things we don't work hard for. That's why you see other people, they can start content. They can start content. They are taking other people's video and put it on their pages. What they want? Shortcut. But when you are doing shortcut, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your data. You are posting unoriginal content. And what I saw, you are post today. Tomorrow you don't post, or you spend a week, you don't post. You are not going anywhere. You have to be consistent. Post every day. And nowadays, content need a person who have got passion. If you don't have passion to do content, nowadays you can quit. You say, I'm tired. And you buy your data, you waste your data. It needs a person who have got passion, because if you don't have passion, guys, you can quit social media, when I want to tell you. So you have to create your own original to be consistent. Consistency help you. Even you don't have time to post, find a time to sit down and record your video. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, especially when you don't have monetization. Do short video, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 40 seconds. You can go viral like that. Especially those videos. Yes, you have got 40 seconds because you don't have monetization. They are not paying you. So it's very good to have 20 seconds video, 40 seconds video. Because it's not free money, you can think that it's free money. You have to sit down and think what people they want. You understand? And guys, most of the people, when you see them, they are far what when they tell you where they start with their accounts, when they start with their Facebook page, with their YouTube, they came far